Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to guide you on how to create an assignment in the Google Classroom. So this is an example of a Google Classroom page where I have two classes. One is 4A and another is a demo class. So I'm going to click into the class that I want to create an assignment for, which is for Anthony. So under 4A, I'm going to create an assignment for my class. So the first step would be to go to Classwork. Under Classwork, you can find the plus tab over here, which is to create an assignment for your class. There are different types of assignments which we can create for our classes. So firstly is an assignment, which basically are examples like Google Slides, Google Documents, PowerPoint slides that you want your students to work on, quizzes, questions that you want your classes to ponder on, or materials which you want them to read, or even you want to reuse posts that you have created for the classes in the past. So in this video, we are just going to create an assignment for our class, and you will be prompted to this page. So first, create a title for your assignment. So for my example, it would be Google Classroom. And secondly, you will type the instructions that you want your students to follow to complete this assignment. And I'm going to ask them to type, for example, summaries on the documents itself. And I'm going to attach this document. So there are different types of attachment. You can either attach a file from your Google Drive, or there's a link that you want your students to go to, a website link, or a file in your local drive, or a YouTube link video which you want your students to watch. So in my case, I'm just going to attach a file from my local drive, which is a Word document. So once I have attached, I will just upload. So once you have uploaded your file, you will need to decide whether you want your students to just view the file or you want them to edit the file. So usually if you want the students to just view the file, they can't do any changes to it. Whereas if you allow the students to edit the file, the very same file will be edited by, for example, 30 students in your class. So 30 students in your class are allowed to collaborate and edit the file at the same time for this option. If you want your students to turn in their assignments individually, this last option will be the option you need to choose for your class. Decide on who is this assignment for. Is it just for 4A class, or is it for both 4A and demo class? If you just select one of the class, you can choose which student you want to assign to. So this allows differentiation, as you are allowed to decide whether you just want your students who are more advanced to complete this assignment ahead of the rest. So I can just select one of the students that I want to select. Please note that this option of selecting students will only be shown if you choose only one of the class. It won't be shown if you choose both classes, which basically means that all students in both of these classes will be able to see this assignment in their class page. Decide on whether you want it to be graded. It can be ungraded as well. So if you choose to be graded, you will need to do some more setting in the Google Classroom setting, which I will explain in another video. So in this assignment, I'll just choose ungraded for now. Choose the due date, maybe this Sunday. And the topic. So in this case, it's Google Classroom. I've already created a topic on this, and I'm going to click Assign. So let me show you the student's view. This is the student's Google Classroom, and these are the assignments that my students has received from the teacher. So this is the assignment that I have just assigned just now. So when the students click into this assignment, they will need to click View Assignment before they will see the instructions given by the teachers. So for my example, I need to type some summaries on the documents. And once the student has done, they can add the link that they have typed into here before they choose to turn in. So for example, I choose to turn in. I will see under grades, which shows the assignment that my students has turned in. So in this case, this is the student, and these are the assignments that my students have just turned in. So from here, I can view the details. And I will just click into the documents to further comments on the documents itself. In the next video, I will guide you on how to create announcement in Google Classroom. Thank you for watching.